Milwaukee Tool introduces the M12 Fuel Installation Drill Driver. Equipped with 4 dedicated solutions, an inline grip, and magnetic bit holder. The installation drill driver is purposely designed to access challenging locations, increasing productivity. Each solution attaches in 16 different positions, and 3 can be added to the right angle attachment for added versatility and increase access to tight and hard to reach places.
Having the drill driver's attachments makes things faster, makes things easy.
It's really nice having those different solutions for the drill because I can swap out the heads very easily and quickly and only have to bring one tool onto the job.
I've accomplished pretty much any installation scenario that's been thrown my way.
It's so versatile, and you don't even know how many ways you can use it when you first look at it. As you use it more and more, you find more places where it's like, wow, it makes this a lot easier.
A huge benefit is clearance, getting in tight spaces. Dash work, confined areas, it really gets a better angle on whatever you're getting at.
The drill body is nice and slim, which keeps profile smaller.
With the head being able to change different directions, you know, it makes the access to the tool that much easier to use.
Any angle, any position you need to be in, the drill can do it.
I was actually pretty amazed at how much power comes out of such a small drill. The 300 inch-pounds is plenty enough to get whatever I need to get done.
I've been more efficient, more productive because it saved me more than a few trips to the truck to get a different, stronger drill because it has the torque that I need.
Instead of buying multiple tools, you have the multiple heads to just change out. So instead of purchasing 4 tools, you're purchasing 1 and can do it all.
Daylight is laid to rest beneath all the rubble, and all that runs through my flesh is a spirit of trouble. Under moonlit sky, I'm desperate to feel more alive, alive. Dreams that keep me wide awake. Call me up out of the suffocated by sorrow. My bones start to disconnect. My soul becomes hollow. In the endless night, I'm desperate to feel more alive, alive. Dreams that keep me wide awake. Call me up out of the bed. words that we spoke, yet only with our eyes. Now is the time to choose. Somebody wins and some lose. I can see through your disguise. Lay down, hope for something better. Looking at the clouds, the cyber and the weather. You can't keep this up. The lies are just too much. Kick back, start another fire. Looking at the clouds, making shapes that you admire. And you can't stop it now, 'cause you don't know how. You can't stop it now.
Finding the strength to cut an unruly branch at full stretch? Well, that's a bit of a stretch. The 18-volt 1+ RYOBI Lopper is going to make that job more efficient, therefore safer. Just pull the trigger on the Lopper and it does all the hard work for you. And it'll trim up to 32 millimeters of material and 100 chops on just one battery. Perfect for hard-to-reach jobs, especially overhead. Extend your reach by almost a metre with clean, precise cuts. Take it from your expert. By using this, you're going to lop stacks of time off your next pruning job.
RYOBI, a cut above.
Hallo und herzlich willkommen zu einer weiteren
Hello and welcome to another edition of KNIPEX Workshop TV. I'm Mark Schneider. I'm a KNIPEX product manager and responsible for cable processing. Today's topic is automatic stripping of stranded wire cables and solid conductors. Clean cable stripping is a prerequisite for the subsequent crimping process. Automatic stripping is of particular interest to professionals. The focus is on speed, accuracy, and reliability. Those are also the strengths of our PreciStrip16. With this model, we have created the most refined automatic insulation stripper ever. For us, this means a huge capacity range from 28 to 6 AWG. That also applies to the cable cutter on the upper part of the pliers. Solid conductors of up to 10 AWG can be cut, as well as stranded wire cable up to 6 AWG. The result is a particularly smooth and clean-cut surface. The risk of accidentally cutting through a cable is considerably reduced. That is because the cable cutter is always in view. However, this latest version offers much more. The PreciStrip16 has the ideal combination of the four most important elements. These are the semicircular clamping jaws, the interlocking teeth, the parabolic blades, and the adjustment options. Put all of these together, and this is what sets these pliers apart. The semicircular clamping jaws ensure that the cable is centrally placed in alignment with the parabolic blades. This is the ideal position for a clean cut. The cable is held at exactly this point during cutting, while the interlocking teeth ensure that it stays in place. The comb-shaped structure means that the teeth are not affected by dirt, such as talcum powder, greatly reducing any unintended slippage of the cable. It's exactly this combination that makes the PreciStrip16 so effective with smaller diameters. The parabolic blade really shows its worth during cutting. It cuts cable insulation much more effectively than, for example, a straight-edged blade. Of course, this also applies to solid conductors. The cutting depth of the blade can be set using the adjuster wheel. This means the cut can be set for particularly hard or soft insulation materials. The adjuster wheel has a total of 16 different settings. Temperature fluctuations at work are also compensated for. Our aim is to make your working day easier. The pliers offer so much more than just perfect wire stripping. Switching the blade unit has become much easier. This can be done quickly in a few simple steps. That's it. The clamping sleeve on the handle has a space for you to write your name. In addition, the pliers have a tether attachment point for tool drop protection. This is designed to work perfectly with KNIPEX tethered tools. I'll show you briefly how it works. Thread through the adapter strap. Pull it and tighten it. Then attach it to a carabiner. That's it. To conclude, the KNIPEX PreciStrip16 is the ideal choice for users who appreciate speed and precision. And if you ask me, I think these are really good.